and right now I'm with Katie.
Hello.
Kate,
Yes.
sorry.
No worries.
Nice to meet you, and thank you for having us here. And that's a special place too, because we are having different kind of products. Please introduce introduce us the company.
Yeah, my company name is Xinlianfeng Plastic Industry Company Limited, and we are a factory in Shantou.
And which year were you founded?
We founded in 2004.
Wow, so 21 year of experience, so it's a lot. What are your main markets?
Our major markets include Europe and the United States, with a strong annual production capacity to support the global demands. Our products meet all the international safety standards, including EN 71 and 11P, ASTM, CPC, and GCC. And we also hold the BSCI certificate for social responsibility. And our products also certified under the global recycled standard.
Wow, that's very interesting. So let's actually understand, like, which kind of products do you have?
As we can see here, we specialize in baby dolls, doll accessories, soft toys, and vinyl products.
So let's check out the hot selling products.
Okay, so this is our best-selling products, which is a doll carrier backpack. And this allows little girls to carry their favorite doll comfortably on their backs. And it is designed as a companion carrier, which allows companionship everywhere little girls go. And also we offer different pattern designs and support customization to our customer.
What's the ODM for this? The minimum order quantity, sorry.
Oh, then the MOQ of this is 1,000 pieces.
Okay. And what about the new product?
Yeah, so below here is our new products developed for 2026. And it is, as you can see, it is designed to resemble sports equipment like the dumbbells, kettlebells, the skipping ropes, and the resistance bands. Yeah.
And what's the MOQ of this one?
The MOQ of this is also 1,000 pieces.
Okay. And what if the customer would like to contact you? In which way they can contact your company to make an order?
Okay, so here is our contact information. If you have business inquiries or you want to know more information, you can contact us via our WeChat and WhatsApp, and also via email.
Can I ask you also which